In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Microsoft Edge. First, let's start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. This key is usually located at the bottom left corner between the Control and Alt keys. When you press it, the Start menu will pop up on your screen. This menu gives you access to all your applications, settings, and files. It's the gateway to everything on your computer. You'll see a variety of icons and options which can feel overwhelming at times. But don't worry, you're doing great. Just focus on what comes next. Once the Start menu is open, it's time to search for Microsoft Edge. You can simply start typing the name Microsoft Edge right after opening the menu. As you type, you'll notice that the search results will begin to appear right above the search box. This feature is designed to help you find what you need quickly. It's a convenient tool that saves you time, especially if you have many applications installed. When you see Microsoft Edge appear in the search results, you're almost there. Now, you need to right-click on the Microsoft Edge icon that you found in the search results. Right-clicking is an essential action in Windows. It opens up a context menu that gives you various options related to the selected item. By right-clicking the Edge icon, you'll unlock more possibilities to customize how you access this browser. This step is crucial because it allows you to take control of your workspace. From there, you will see a menu pop up with several options. Look for the one that says Pin to Taskbar. This option is particularly useful because pinning an application to the taskbar makes it easily accessible anytime you need it. Your taskbar is that strip usually at the bottom of your screen where you can see icons for applications you frequently use. By pinning Microsoft Edge here, you will save yourself the hassle of searching for it each time you want to browse the web. Once you select Pin to Taskbar, the Microsoft Edge icon will immediately appear on your taskbar. You can now close the Start menu. This step is important because it confirms that your action was successful and you will see the Edge icon nestled right on your taskbar. This means you can quickly launch your browser with just a single click. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in your daily workflow. Now that Microsoft Edge is pinned, you can easily access it whenever you want. Just click on its icon on the taskbar and it will open right up. The convenience of having your most used applications at your fingertips cannot be overstated. You are now set up to browse the web with ease. This setup makes your computing experience smoother and more efficient. In summary, you have pressed the Windows key, searched for Microsoft Edge, right-clicked it, and finally selected Pin to Taskbar. Each of these steps plays an important role in improving your workflow. By following these instructions, you've made sure that Microsoft Edge is always just a click away. Thank you for watching and enjoy your browsing.